everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. So dear viewers, today I am back with another video. In this video I am going to share with you such a beautiful and unique ideas about Christmas decoration pieces. In this video you will see prettiest ideas and specially designed for all viewers. So watch the video till end, which is very helpful for your home decor. Keep supporting me. Your support is important for me. Keep liking my videos, keep share my videos and subscribe my channel. Also don't forget to press bell icon for more updates. Thank you. Stay blessed, stay happy. Have a nice day.